Inheritance. Inheritance is an important pillar of OOP, that is object oriented programming. It is parent child relationship. Inheritance used to inherit the features from one class, that is base class, to another class, that is child class. With inheritance, one class inherit the fields or methods of another class. Inheritance consists of base class, the class being inherited called as base class. This class is known as base class or superclass or parent class. Derived class, the class that inherits the other class, is known as derived class or subclass or extended class or child class. The subclass can add its own fields and methods in addition to the base class fields and methods. Reusability. Because of inheritance, derived class can inherit the variables methods of existing class. So there is no need to create same methods again and again. So according to requirement, new class, reuse, extend and modify the fields or methods of base class or parent class. Now we will see concept of inheritance with example. For that we take one class, public class travel. This is base class and it have method travel type. Console dot write line. There are many types of travels. This is the sentence. Now we take another class. This is the colon. For inheritance we use colon symbol. So aeroplane inherits the class travel. Here this is travel air method. Then console write line travel with aeroplane through air. This is base class. This is derived or child class. Now we create the object of this child class. Aeroplane A1 is equal to new aeroplane. Now if we see here, we can get both the methods. And this is the method of this child class and this is the method of base class. Now we can access both the methods, the method of child class as well as method of base class. A1 dot travel type, A1 dot travel air. console.read. If we run, there are many types of travel with aeroplane through air. In this way, we can able to access the method of child class and the method of base class. If we don't give here the public access specifier, and if we try to access this method, then we can see here inherit void travel type error, inheritance program travel type is inaccessible due to its protection level. So always the method should be public. Now because of public, we can able to access the method of base class or parent class. This is the simple example of inheritance. In next video, we will see various types of inheritance and various examples of inheritance. Thanks for watching.